What if you could start a profitable business this week with less than $500, no employees, and no experience? Sounds impossible? The truth is, getting started doesn't have to be complicated. Book Launch Marketing Handbook is designed to turn confusion into a clear, practical path toward launching and marketing your book. Forget vague theories and complicated business jargon. This is a practical guide built for people who want to take action. Inside, discover how to turn your book into more than something people read, into an opportunity to build visibility, credibility, and income. Learn practical strategies for getting your book in front of the right audience and creating attention before, during, and after launch. Discover how to organize your launch, create momentum, and give your book the best chance to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Instead of guessing what to do next, you'll have a roadmap to help you move from planning to execution. Whether you're publishing your first book or looking for a smarter way to market your next one, this handbook gives you practical ideas you can put to work. Your book can open doors. The right marketing strategy can help you walk through them. Get your copy of Book Launch Marketing Handbook by Michael G. Newsom and start turning your book launch into your next opportunity.